Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw using Canva. This is a great tutorial for beginners. You like to learn. You can customize your photos, your images, and just add some sketches, some scribbling on your image. It looks great, interesting, and you can use this for so many creative things. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can draw using Canva, or how you can draw in Canva. Super easy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate it, really make me happy. So thank you so much. And now let me show you what you have to do. So here we have brand, we have upload, we have draw. So please click on draw. Now when you click on draw, will move, actually your project will get moved to this layout, to this display, or how can I call it. It will just get imported here in this draw panel. So now you have here, you have pen, you have marker, you have highlighter and eraser, and the selection tool, color. And here you can change the settings, increase the weight and transparency, decrease it or increase it. And now also when you increase, you can see that it's changing the weight. And now I can add here, maybe I would like to highlight here, and it's great if you have a tablet, graphic tablet, but even if you don't have one, you can still use your mouse and create this scribbles, this arrows wherever you want. You can draw, even create maybe a rectangle. You can even, let's say I click on here and then create this kind of dots. And if you want you can create some rectangles like this. So this can be very helpful. You can also write something. You can also use this pen. So you can use the pen, highlighter. This is great if you want to highlight, or use the eraser. This pen is to select something and move it around. Change the color as well for the highlighter. Now as you can see, the color changed. Now, and you can add any color you want. You can erase, and that's pretty much what you can do here in apps. Usually, and the old version, it used to be here, this draw. You also click on draw here and you can find some apps like this one, Sketch to Life. Pretty interesting. Let's click on open. So sketch an image and you will bring it to life. So if something maybe you're looking for, let's say I'll actually sketch here a rectangle and describe your sketch, rectangle, and click on generate. So yeah, sometimes if you're looking for something and if you aren't sure if there is an app for that, just click on apps here and search for the thing that you want. And this can sometimes help you. Maybe you need look for some designs and you can't find any element or design. Just use the Sketch to Life, or just search for that thing that you're looking for in apps. And here the result, I wrote here rectangle and it gave me this, which is not bad. It's just that it's the view is kind of like on the other side leaning, but we can edit this. Maybe we can move like that, and then so we have this image here. Now there's here, we can also assign. Easily draw your signature and it to your design in seconds. So for signature and Vato as well, add the premium photos. If you have a subscription in Vato, this is really nice. Also Sketchify here, turn your images into sketches. Again, very nice. Let's try this because it relates to the video for today about sketching and drawing in Canva. So I hope you found it helpful that I've mentioned about these apps. Maybe you didn't know about this. Maybe you didn't know the apps existed in apps. I didn't know at first, so that's what I thought share. So Sketchify and replace. Oh, and excuse me, now we have this, but actually I'm just gonna let's say select this one and go back to Sketchify. If you use the app, you'll see all the apps that you used here. So I'm going to click on here, Sketchify your image. Please wait as you bring your idea to life. So now we just have to wait for this image to be turned in a sketch. And as I said, you can find all the apps here that you used. You don't have to go back to apps and search for that app. It's just that if you used a lot of apps, okay, this looks really nice, you have to look for it. So if it's crowded if there's a lot of apps, but I think you'll find solution. Now also this one is Cartoonify, if you want to turn your image into a cartoon, but you know, it's not temporarily, it's not available. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching and take care.